I'm at the waterfall. It's really relaxing. You can splash me if you want, Ira.
No, you're gonna get wet.
How are you today, Ira?
I'm fine, thank you.
Did you drink last night?
Did I
Drink last night?
drink?
Did you drink beer last night?
No, I didn't drink beer. I don't like beer.
You don't like beer?
No, do you?
Yeah, I do. I love it.
Oh, good. How many pints do you drink?
5.
5. 5 pints of beer.
5 pints in a day.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. What else do you like to drink then? Coke?
Coca-Cola.
Ah, I see. Anything else?
Cups of tea.
Cup of tea.
You don't need thickener in a Coke.